Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Please, if today is your first time viewing, consider to subscribe to this channel so that anytime you do an exciting video, you notify. Let's solve this simple exponential equation on the board. Please, after watching, ensure you share with your loved ones so others will learn. Now look at what we are given. We are given what? 216 raised to the power x plus 2 is equals to what? Into 1 divided by 36 all raised to the power what? X. We are asked to find the value of x. Now this question is very simple. Now what we are going to do, we are going to consider our left hand side. That's what we are going to do. We know that 316 in index from cancel is seen as what? 6 raised to the power what? 3. Because 6 times 6 into 3 places is what? 216. So in place of 216, we can write what? 6 raised to the power what? 3. Because 6 raised to the power of 3 simply means 6 times 6 into 3 places, which is what? 216. Then the power here is what? Into x plus what? 2. Okay? Equals to. Now let's obey one of the properties of indices. If we have 1 over 36 is also what? Because if we have a raised to the power what? Minus m is equals to 1 divided by a raised to the power what? M. So you can see that this is in this form. So we are going to bring that from this form to this form. Okay? This you are seeing your because 36 can also be seen as 1 is equals to 36 what? Minus 1 by one of the indices. This as what? 36 what? All raised to the power what? Power yes. Okay? Then now this is what? Power what? Then let's multiply the index. So 3 times s will give us 3x. 3 times 2 equals what? Plus what? 6. Because 3 times 2 is 6. Equals to. Now this power here can multiply this s. So this is 36. Then minus what? X. Because 1 times s is minus x. Now look at what we're going to do. We can observe that our left hand side we're having what? 6 raised to the power of 3s plus 6. And our right hand side we're having what? 36 raised to the power of minus x. That's what we're going to do. What we're going to do is to put 36 in by equal c is equal to what? 2. Because 6 times 6 is what? 36. We can also write this as what? 6 raised to the power what? 3x plus 6 is equals to 6 raised to the power what? 2 into the power there was what? Minus what? X. Okay? So now this is what? 6 raised to the power what? 3x, okay, plus 6 equals to what? 6 raised to the power what? 2 multiplied by minus x will give us what? Minus 2 what? X. Now we can observe that the bases are the same. If the bases are equal, that means we can equal the index. So we can do without them, let them settle themselves. So now see that this is 3x, okay, plus 6 equals to what? Minus what? 2x. Now we are going to collect our like terms because we are asked to find the value of x, right? So what you do, transfer this 2 in here, okay, then you add 2x to both sides. Now so this is what? 3x, okay, plus what? 2x equals to what? Plus what? 6 equals to what? 0. Because we have moved this 2s to our left hand side, there's nothing there. What is there? 0. So what we are going to do is to move this to our right hand side. So now see that 2s plus 3s plus 2s will give us 5x, okay, equals to what? Minus what? 6. Because when this is moved over here, it becomes what? Minus 6. So for us to have the value of x, I have to divide both sides by the coefficient of x. So if we divide here by 5, I also divide here by what? 5. 5 will go. This implies that our x is equals to minus 6 divided by what? 5. This is the value of what? X. Okay? This is the value of what? X. Okay, this is the value. X is equals to what? Minus 6 divided by what? 5. And this is the solution to this particular problem. So thank you so much for watching. Please, if you find it very interesting, don't hesitate. Do well to like, comment, and also share it to your loved ones so others will learn from. So thank you so much, and God bless you. Bye.